When you go to Target, girl, you ain't never coming out. Hey you guys, hey, so I got fat. So it is your girl Elsia, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. So today I'm gonna be doing a couple things. I'm gonna go get my nails done because it is time for your girls to get a feel. And I'm in Starbucks line right now. I'm gonna be trying the green tea matcha. I saw it from another YouTuber's channel and it looks interesting and it's my favorite color. Shanice Alish, I think her name is, but I'm gonna be trying it out, so hopefully it's good, because I'm one of those people, sometimes I don't like trying new things, because if it's nasty I'm gonna be mad that it was nasty and I wasted my money. And it's 9:53 right now, so I'm kind of up early, if this is considered early to you. And I got the new iPhone 12 or whatever, so yeah, let's see how this rolls. Hopefully I'm not looking too crazy, because I'm trying to look at the lens and not at the actual camera, so excuse me. I just got my hair pulled back. You know, I've been loving my hair being pulled back because it's just easy, convenient, slick and slide. Ippy, that's it. Y'all, so I got my drink. I gotta stop looking at this. I got my drink. It tastes good. It's a little different. Okay, it's a little different, but it tastes good. It's my favorite color. And I done got a venti instead of a grande. Now, so this is the green tea matcha latte, and I got 14 pumps of raspberry. So next time I might not get as much pumps raspberry. I might maybe get like 10 pumps, so it won't be as sweet, because I feel like it shouldn't be as sweet. But it tastes good, and it's the iced one or whatever. But I'm about to go in and get my nails done. And then I might have to stop by another store. So y'all just gonna come with me, okay? And like I said, this is gonna be a regular vlog. Vloggy vlog. But hold on, this is kind of addicting. It has, like, when you first taste it, it tastes really nice and sweet. Then the aftertaste is what kind of gets me though. But we're gonna work with it. It tastes good. It tastes like something that, you know, you kind of don't like it, but you like it. I don't know if that makes sense. You gotta try for yourself, but it's good. Anyways, y'all, let's go. Let me not hold y'all up. Let's go.
Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, yes, please. Can I have the matcha green tea latte, a venti, please?
Is that gonna be hot or iced?
Iced, I'm sorry. And then can I also have 13 pumps of raspberry, please?
Gotcha.
And then can I also have a ham and Swiss croissant?
Ham and Swiss croissant.
Yes. And that should do it.
All right, so it's gonna be 9:42.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I got my drink, y'all. Now I'm about to go home and then get ready to start filming. And I'm not sure exactly what type of look I'm gonna do. I'm probably most likely gonna be doing like I should have went to the dollar store. Dang it. I'm gonna do like a nice spring look, because you know spring is upon us, honey. Spring is upon us. Hold on, y'all. All right, you guys, so I am back home. I threw on a wig because I wanted to look a little cuter. So I just threw on my wig. I'm about to set up so I can do my tutorial. I might prop you guys up so y'all can see how I set up or whatever, what my setup looks like. It's just very simple or whatever. right, you guys, it is now 2:35 and I'm just now finishing recording, and I'm trying my best to get my butt up so I can go to Walmart. I gotta go grab some household items. I might stop by Target, but you know, when you go to Target, girl, you ain't never coming out. So I'm trying to make it quick because I want to come home and chill and start editing my makeup video tutorial. So I need to write a list down and see what I need, but I don't know. Anyways, let's go, girl. Y'all, so I'm at Walmart and they have some cute little shorts. How cute are these? Look at that. They are so freaking cute. And I got a couple things from Walmart that I want to show you guys. So give me a second. All right, so I got this drawer organizer and I'm gonna put it over here for my vanity because I have like stuff all over the place and I've been telling myself I'm gonna fix it. So I think this is like $7 and they're white, so that's why I got that. Of course, I got my heavy duty fabric. I just got a cute little pastel little tank top. I thought it was cute for the spring because I don't think I have a pastel type of lilac color like this. And then these are some shorts. I hope they fit me because girl, the way this weight gain looking, I'm gonna be so upset. And I love the little ruffles on top because it kind of cinches your waist, so I love it. And y'all, check these little sandals out. Listen, these are so convenient to just slip on. Let me show y'all, hold on. All right, y'all, so these are these little sandals here, and I got them in a wide. I wear like a 10, so I got them in like 10 wide because they fit more comfortable. They're so cute. Look at that. I have some brown ones similar to this, and they're like the Birkenstock. I think in those shoes be costing so much, and I just got my toes done, so girl, they look good. You know what I'm saying? But they're so freaking cute. I love them. I've been wanting some white sandals. I think the last time I went to Walmart, I saw them, but they didn't have my size, so your girl had to get it this time. I was like, nope, I ain't slipping. Ooh, look at these. These are so freaking cute. Look, I'm not a big fan of shoes like this that much, but I wanted something that wasn't open-toed because, you know, when your girl's toes ain't polished and stuff, you need a little something to hide it. So I figured, hey, you know what? Don't mind my knees, don't mind my legs. They ashy because they just ashy, so don't even mind them. But they are so comfortable. I was going through the sizes. This is also a 10 wide because, like I said, I have wide feet, so I like to make sure they're comfortable, and I'm glad they started incorporating wide, because you know, them narrow shoes, they just don't be working out, and your feet be just all bulgy on the sides, and nobody got time. But these are so cute. You could wear these with maybe some jeans and some slacks. Like, I have the perfect outfit that I could possibly wear with these, and they're so freaking cute. All right, y'all, so I put on the shorts. They are a little bit big because the crotch area over here is kind of like, but they are high-waisted, and this is the little cute little purple pastel shirt, tank top that I bought. But they're cute. I just threw on these little sandals. They don't really match, but you know, just for this, for the video purpose, you know, don't mind that. But this is cute and comfortable, you know, just a little something. It's a little big, so it kind of makes me look boxy, but it's all good, you know. It's just all about the comfortability. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and show you guys what else I got. I don't think I really got much else besides like cleaning stuff and house stuff and all that. So but I might go ahead and organize my my vanity and put my things in it. I do really need to really organize it better, but for now I'm just gonna put all my stuff that I bought those trays for, put it in there and fix it a lot better, so it won't be. I don't know if this is the end of the vlog or not, but if it is, I will see y'all in the next video. If not, I will see y'all in the next clip.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to I